So guys, this is the Perth Busport. This is just opposite the Yagan Perth Square. As you can see, this building. Now the reason why I'm making this video is because the map is making me go around and round, and I had to ask someone over here to help me about it, and I thought I don't want you to go through this as well, so which is why I decided to just make this quick video. So if you're going to Busport A or B, then this is where you have to stop over here, and I am actually going to Busport A over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to come over here and see how the routes is. So as you can see, that's what it shows, Busport Zone B. You can also recharge over here. Let me go and do a recharge quickly over here. Oops, nope, it's closed. So I'm going to Busport Zone A960. Just wanted to confirm that. Busport A960. Now it's going to take me down. Don't forget to wear your mask. It's mandatory for you to wear your mask. So it says me to go to Busport A. Now where do I go from here? There's different stand. 960 stand A. So let's see where we can find stand A. This is zone B, and that's over here zone A as well. So it's zone A. So I have to go and look for. We'll probably go and ask over here. Hey, good morning, mate.
Hey mate, how you doing?
Good. I'm actually going to catch a bus 960.
960.
I think it's at stand 11.
Yeah, so 1026. So on the B side, so you need to be down over that side.
Oh, it's on the B zone.
So you see,
okay,
yep,
okay.
yep,
I
so
got
960.
it. Super card. And now it will show you. When the line changes to green, then you can actually walk inside. So, and now the bus is here as well. A little different on how it does. There you go.